0x800f0982 not installing error 0x800f0982 0x800f0900 / 0x8024200d in Windows 11. Step 1. Restart your PC. Save your work and close all applications. Click Start, Power, Restart. Wait for Windows to boot normally. Try installing the update again. Part 2. Run the Windows Update Troubleshooter. Open Settings. Go to System. Troubleshoot other troubleshooters. Find Windows Update. Click Run. Apply any recommended fixes. Restart your computer. 3. Check available storage space. Open Settings, System, Storage. Ensure at least 20 gigabytes of free space is available. Remove temporary files and unwanted applications. Retry the update. 4. Run System File Checker SFC. Open Command Prompt as administrator. Type SFC scannow. Press Enter. Wait for the scan to complete. Restart your PC. 5. Repair Windows image with DISM. Open Command Prompt as administrator. Run DISM online, cleanup image, restore health, allow the process to finish. Restart your system. 6. Reset Windows Update components. Open Command Prompt as administrator. Stop Windows Update services. Rename Software Distribution folder, Contrut2 folder. Restart the services. Reboot the PC. Check for updates again. Number 7. Temporarily disable antivirus software. Disable third-party antivirus protection. Turn off any non-Microsoft firewall software. Install the update. Re-enable protection after completion. Number 8. Perform a clean boot. Press Windows R. Type msconfig. Open System Configuration. Disable non-Microsoft services. Restart your PC. Install the update. Shark 9. Download and install the update manually. Open the Microsoft Update Catalog website. Search for KB5089573, KB5092427. Download the version matching your Windows build. Run the installer. Restart the computer. 10. Perform an in-place repair upgrade. Download the latest Windows 11 installation assistant. Run it as administrator. Select Keep Personal Files and Apps. Complete the repair process. Install the update after Windows restarts.